like just barely, not quite white capping. Okay, here we are, another first. We've actually run aground. I think we're on a big rock. The charts say that we're supposed to be in 20 feet of water. Here's Antelope Island. I'm gonna pan around slowly. Here we go. We're back to Antelope Island.
Yeah, it's a good rope. I wish we had that long.
Oh yeah, no, I mean that's.
Could be trying to drag her over the shallow section of the reef, the short section of the reef. But you're also going to have to break.
If we get through here, is it going to make sense to pull her up north?
Yeah, but you're going to need all the GPS coordinates I have, and you know basically pull her all the way back up, and you might have to go across the reef. Well, you'll have to go across the reef.
We are not, unfortunately, allowed to get on the boats with them. So just getting some pictures of their setup. He's towing it the opposite way than Dave told him to. Maybe he just couldn't get it to budge the other way. Off mine?
Yep.
Can you?
What happened?
The mast. They pulled off the mast.
Did they? I don't think so.
Okay. Something. You're staying right now. Now they're pointing at us.
It looks like it's moving away from us. It's gotta be just a illusion.
Now it's sailing kind of towards the filter.
Yep.
They're pulling it. They're zigzagging it.
Yeah.
It's moving. Oh my god. Wow.
Look at that.
They got it.
I can't believe that guy's down on the bow.
Right.
You hit the reef, you get knocked off. Can't get this thing filmed.
I'm recording it. If you want to get some pictures, the video doesn't take as good a quality photos. Wow.
It's coming.
Yeah. Look at that. Most beautiful thing I've seen. They don't even know if I have it right now. They're just pulling it. It's not steering. Not that much going back and forth. Yeah, because they don't have a steer. It's still not solid. Is that right? Yep. Because they can't control it. Yep. Here comes right. Woo! It's like, hail the triumphant heroes. Wow. We got it. We got it. Amazing. Save the interviewer. They got her. I know that guy's standing on the bow. Dude. Yeah. That's amazing.
get on board, put the rubber on, so we can get the engine started. That's the pace I was saying.
Amazing.
You're gonna need to follow Dave in so you can get the buoy track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just, they stay too far out. I know. Should we tell them?
Yeah.
Kind of stinky in here.